So Chef here, a real quick skirt steak marinade for you. First thing I like to do is chop some garlic. Got 2 cloves of garlic here. I've got half a cup of chopped onion. Right here I've got 2 tablespoons of dried shallots, as well as 2 tablespoons of dried cilantro. To that I'm adding some Modena vinegar, the real stuff. Let's go with about 1 ounce. Extra virgin olive oil, 2 ounces. Fresh ground pepper. One teaspoon pink sea salt. Uno, dos, tres. Looking really good. Half a small lime. And I'm going to use the juicer and juice as much of this as I can. Get the juice right out here. All that juice goes right in there. Four ounces of water. And that's the marinade. For the skirt steak, I like to clean it up if the butcher leaves a little extra fat on here. We'll just take this off just a little bit. It's looking pretty good though. Nice meat. Okay, now I like to use my tenderizer. Give it just a quick hit. Repeat. And that's it. The steak's ready for the marinade. Quite often I will cut it smaller pieces, more manageable, like this. Uno, dos, tres. Looking really good. And the steak goes right in the marinade. Get your grill going, and wow, that's gonna be good. The finished skirt steak, oh yeah. Check it out. I encourage you to try this recipe. So good. Yeah. All right. Check out the sponsor. They've got free shipping, no tax most areas, and they give you discounts. This is the best stuff there is. Subscribe right here. Check out the sponsor over there in the links, and call the sponsor with any questions you have. They are experts. Combined, they have over 50 years of butcher block experience. Installation, staining, finishing, wood choices, kitchen designers, builders, and hotels, restaurants from around the world do business with the sponsor. Give them a call. The sponsor can help you with selection, sizing, base colors, discounts, free shipping, no tax, and even installation. One of the few companies left that actually provides customer service and can help you to improve the look and function of your new kitchen. Call them now. For the best vanilla beans, extracts, vanilla powder, vanilla seed specks, get all that stuff at your sponsor. It's the best. Yeah. Don't forget to check out the butcher blocks, islands, tables, bars, counters, cutting boards while you're there. Oh yeah, let's get cooking. Have a great day. Like, share, subscribe. Oh yeah, that's the good stuff. Wow. I like it. Don't forget to score all of your maintenance products at the sponsor as well. Cutting board maintenance is so important. Follow these tips. Finished stew, touch of parsley. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. Thanks for watching. Get cooking and have a great day. Yeah, check it out. Get cooking. Have a great day. Roll them up tight. Beautiful. Fresh chopped oregano. Yeah. We've got garlic, tomatoes, onions, roasted peppers, asparagus, a bunch of other interesting things on here. I like to finish with a little bit of the fresh oregano, as well as a dusting of fresh grated Parmigiano Reggiano mixed with Pecorino Romano. Yeah. How's that look? Drop a comment. And as usual, yeah, you see that? It's perfect. Like a crispy cracker. That right there is what I'm looking for. No leaks. Perfection. excellence in every bite. Learn from the chefs. Get cooking. Have a great day. Oh yeah, it's gonna be good. By the way, this glove stops knives. Nothing is going to cut me. And little chains, all hand welded, made in America. Check out your sponsor there, okay? So here we go. First, I'm going to go right in half. Oh yeah, nice perfect cut. Beautiful pear. Then I'm going to do some quick slices. Just like this. I ended up with about 20 slices there. I was hoping for 25. Professional cutting board, chopping block, butcher block, custom sizes, many styles, all made in the USA.